I'm Karis Hart, Director of Product Development for K18. AstroLift is a reparative volumizing spray that was developed for those with fine, fragile, and aging hair who are seeking damage repair in their styling products. Understanding that this hair type, fine, fragile, and aging, is more prone to damage and breakage because of the biology of the hair, this product is helping to repair that damage, but also giving the user the volume and lift that they seek. So what we wanted to develop with AstroLift was something that gives a really touchable and buildable volume that doesn't ever get sticky and crunchy. As opposed to a lot of volumizing products that exist on the market today, there's no crunch and no buildup. It's a very flexible, movable, light, and airy volume. So we tested the product and we are clinically proven 2.5 times more all-over volume that lasts up to 2 days with one application. And even after humidity, in all cases, there was little to no volume loss. It's a super versatile product. You're gonna get the most volume when you apply it to damp hair and then blow dry it in, but we tested it on dry hair, we tested it on damp hair with air dry, whether it's a diffuser on curly hair or blow dry for smooth blowout, it's gonna work in every use case. The volumizing blend is based on a protein-rich algae and arginine. And it works together to put a very, very lightweight barrier on the hair that's proven to increase each hair strand diameter thickness up to 25%. And then we combine that with a humidity-resistant polymer that's gonna create space between the hair strands and give that really light and airy volume. Just like our molecular repair products, the K18 peptide in the AstroLift is going to reconnect broken polypeptide chains to repair damage from bleach, chemicals, and heat. The K18 peptide is always going to work best on clean, damp hair. It can also be used after the K18 mask, after the 4-minute wait time, and it'll also work on dry hair. I love to use it before I style my hair and then after as a finisher, but it definitely helps give me volume at the roots and through the ends. Get lifted with AstroLift.